Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reset Roblox settings. Alright, so let's begin. First, close the Roblox app on your computer if it's open. Then navigate to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right, select the gear icon, and then select Settings. In the settings, go to the left sidebar and click on Privacy. Look for Account Restrictions, and if it's enabled, disable it. This is often the main reason you're unable to play certain experiences. If disabling account restrictions doesn't work, go back to the left sidebar and select Parental Controls. Scroll down to Allowed Experiences and ensure it's set to 13+. Even if you don't have a PIN configured, you might need to enable a PIN and then select 13+ to fix the issue. If these steps still don't resolve the problem, log out of your Roblox account, reboot your computer, and then log back in. Now, as you can see, I can play Roblox Frontlines on my account because I fixed my settings. That's how you fix the Roblox error where an experience is unavailable due to your account settings. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.